Hi, I'm AmberDonia. Welcome to AmberDonia Bakery. It was always my mom's dream to have a bakery. She came here actually alone when she was 14. She was an immigrant, and her first job was actually at a bakery. And I think she's just always been hungry and always been passionate. I think she fell in love with it and she just ran with it. So where we lived, there was like this old little laundromat, and they decided to take a chance. You couldn't even sit in the place. It was just come in for pastries. She would wake up like 5 o'clock in the morning and bake all day. There's pastries, cupcakes, brownies, cakes, cookies, breakfast pastries. There's so many. I would say like 20 to 30 different pastries, 20 to 30 different cupcakes. There's cream pies, cheesecake. There's literally everything. I could go on. And because my dad is from Rome, he was born there, it was our second one in Scranton. Then we were like, let's do pizzas. Make it more than just a bakery. There's not a lot of pizza like this around here, which I think is what makes it different. Most people cook their oven like 500 degrees. This is wood fired, so the wood is 1,000 degrees, so it literally takes 2 minutes. It gives the pizza a different taste. You're kind of getting like a bite out of Italy, but here in your own town, because that's the only place you would find it. You know, that's where it started from. It's taken a long time to get to this place. We were finally at this huge building, but it didn't start off like this, you know, and it's been a really long time. It's been hard work, it's been exhausting, and she just kept going. And I think she just, I guess, had enough faith in herself. And I think they're I always say the perfect pair. They balance each other out, you know, him with his pizzas, and then she makes the dessert. They both came here, I think, looking for a better life, and, you know, we're here now, so.